Ambitious. Understanding the drive for success. Imagine a student who dreams of becoming a doctor, working tirelessly day and night to achieve their goal. This student embodies the word we're learning today, ambitious. Word type. Ambitious is an adjective. We use it to describe people or their actions. Meaning, ambitious means having a strong desire to be successful, achieve great things, or reach high positions in life. Word history. The word ambitious comes from the Latin word ambitiosus, which originally meant going around to ask for votes. Over time, its meaning changed to describe people who strongly desire success or power. Antonyms. Some words that mean the opposite of ambitious are unambitious, lazy, and unmotivated. Synonyms. Words with similar meanings to ambitious include driven, aspiring, and determined. Examples used in sentences. She is an ambitious lawyer who wants to become a judge one day. The company has ambitious plans to expand into 10 new countries next year. His ambitious goal is to run a marathon in under 3 hours. Common errors in use. One common mistake is using ambitious to describe things that are simply difficult or challenging. For example, it's incorrect to say the exam was very ambitious. Instead, you could say the exam was very challenging or the student had ambitious goals for the exam. Another error is confusing ambitious with greedy. While both involve strong desires, ambitious is generally positive, focusing on personal growth and achievement. Greedy has a negative meaning, implying selfishness. Ambitious is a powerful word that can help you describe people with big dreams and strong motivation. Whether you're talking about your own goals or describing others, using this word correctly can improve your IELTS score. Remember to practice using ambitious in your own sentences to become more comfortable with it.